Okay, let's dive right in. We're going to break down exactly how you can get a perfect, totally professional looking wainscoting layout every single time. You know that feeling when you look at a wall treatment and something just feels off? Well, check this out. The difference between an amateur job, like what you see on the left, and a pro job on the right, it's not about how good you are with a saw. Nope. It's all in the math. It's what you do before you ever pick up a tool. So what's the secret sauce? It's really simple. Perfect. Even spacing. See, when every single panel is exactly the same width, the entire room just feels right. It feels balanced, intentional, and high-end. And don't worry, the math is way simpler than you might think. The whole trick, the real key, is to change how you look at the wall. Stop seeing a big, blank canvas and start seeing a simple, repeating pattern. Okay, first, let's get our terms straight. The stiles, those are the vertical boards you're installing. Think of them as the solid parts of the pattern. And the panel? Well, that's just the empty space between two stiles. And our #1 goal here is to make every single one of those panels identical in width. So here's that little mental shift I was talking about. Your wall is just a series of alternating pieces. You've got a solid stile, then an empty panel, another stile, another panel. You get the idea. It's that simple. And this is super important for a professional look. It has to be symmetrical. You always start with a stile on one end and finish with a stile on the other. That's what locks in that perfect, balanced look. And when you think about it that way, a super simple rule just clicks into place, right? To create one panel, you need a stile on either side. That's 2 stiles. For 5 panels, well, you're going to need 6 stiles. It's always one more. We can call it the N+1 rule. The number of stiles is just the number of panels you want, plus 1. Okay, that's the logic. But how do we actually use it? Well, it all boils down to just 3 critical numbers you need to figure out. Get these right, and I promise the rest is a piece of cake. And here they are. That's it. Just 3 things. How long is your wall? What's the actual width of the boards you're using? And finally, how many panels do you think you want? Now for wall length. Here's a pro tip for you. Measure at the height where the wainscoting will actually go, not down at the floor. Trust me on this, walls are almost never perfectly straight. The measurement at the bottom can be totally different from the one a few feet up. You gotta be precise here. All right, now let's talk about the single most critical measurement. This is the one where so many projects go off the rails. I'm talking about the width of your stile. Absolutely not. This is a classic mistake. You go to the store, you buy a 1x4, but its actual width is only 3.5 inches. That's the number you have to use, the real-world, physical measurement of your board. If you use the nominal size, the 1x4, your entire layout will be a mess. And finally, the fun part. Input number 3 is all about your personal style, the number of panels you want. This is your design variable. You get to play with this. Does 5 panels look too chunky? Maybe 6 looks more elegant. This is how you dial in the exact look and feel for your space. So once you have those 3 inputs, a calculator can instantly spit out your entire project blueprint. It's just 2 numbers, but these 2 outputs are going to guide every single thing you do from here on out. And here's what you get: the exact perfect width for every single panel and the total number of stiles you need to buy. That's it. It means a flawless layout, and you're not wasting money on extra materials. That panel width, that is your golden ticket. And here's the ultimate pro move. Take a scrap piece of wood and cut it to that exact width. This becomes your spacer block. So you install your first stile, you put the spacer next to it, then you install the next stile right against the spacer. Boom! No measuring tape, no pencil marks, no errors. It is absolutely foolproof. And that other number, total stiles, well, that's just your shopping list. Plain and simple. It tells you exactly how many boards to buy. No more guessing, no more buying too much and having expensive wood lying around. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what happens in the real world? What if my perfect layout puts a stile right over an electrical outlet? That's a great question, because a perfect layout is useless if it doesn't work in your actual room. Well, the fix is ridiculously simple. You just go back to your design variable. Remember the number of panels? If a 5-panel layout creates a problem, just change it to 6 and recalculate. The whole layout will magically shift, moving every single stile over and solving your outlet problem. It's that easy. So there you have it. You understand the logic now. The simple alternating pattern, the N+1 rule, and the power you have to adjust the whole thing with just one number. So, are you ready to finally take all the guesswork and frustration out of your next project? The best part is you can put all this into practice right now, and you don't even have to do the math yourself. We've got a free and super practical wainscoting calculator. The link is right down there in the description. It'll give you that perfect professional layout in just a few seconds, so you can get started on your project today with total confidence.